Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Mahfuzur Rahman. Now I am currently doing my PhD at University Putra, Malaysia. My research topic poster is Alignment of Higher Education and Labor Market in Bangladesh, a case of banking sector. Dear audience, if you look at the title, then there are two components, that is higher education and labor market. And for the labor market, I have narrowed down it in the banking sector specifically. So one of the core purposes of higher education is to make job-ready graduates. Higher education should provide graduates to align with the dynamics of labor market. So there is a link between labor market and higher education. And banking sector is one of the significant labor markets for business graduates. As I'm working with the higher education and labor market narrowed down in the banking sector, so now I'm working with the business graduation of the higher education sector. So the main objectives of my study is to contribute to the policy-making process by analyzing the gap between business education and labor market requirements. So in this study, basically, this research bears the norms of qualitative method. And dear audience, if you look at the first figure, that is the general scenario of labor demand and supply in Bangladesh. That is, if you look at the figure, then both labor demand and supply is increasing over the year. And now if we consider the higher education scenario in our country, so both number of public and private institutions are increasing, and that's why the number of total graduate is also increasing. And with that, with the alignment of that, the number of business graduate is also increasing. So over the year, number of institutions as well as number of business graduate, as well as total number of graduate is also increasing. And if we look at the banking sector specifically, then over the few years, that is from 2010 to 2009, we have shown data here. So number of banks is increased, and the branches expansion of different bank also increased. So that's why they have opened the branches, and their demand in the banking sector, that is labor demand in the banking sector, is also increased. So if we look at the third figure, then the number of business graduate increased as well as the number of bank executives, that is the number of labor demand in banking sector, is also increased. So if we consider these three pictures, that is the national labor demand is increased as well as supply also increased, and the number of graduate also increased to go up that labor demand, and number of bank executives also increased, that is the number of labor demand in the banking sector increased, and number of business graduate is also increased. Dear audience, if you look at the fourth figure, that is the unemployed labor force. Over the years, unemployment is also increased. So why this is happening? Maybe you can conclude here that the number of populations is increasing, though the number of labor demand is increasing, that is economy is expanding, but it cannot expand to go off the increased labor demand. That's why unemployment is increasing. You can conclude here up to now. But if we look at the statistics, that is the last publications of Alam and Ruslan, then we can see the different scenario. Dear audience, now we know that the jobs of banking sector are perfectly matched with the business graduate. But what we have seen, what Alam and Ruslan published in 2020, that is 55% science graduates with an undergraduate qualification are banking as the executives in the banking sector, and 39% business graduates are working as an executive in the banking sector. So why that is happening? Maybe the business graduates are not well trained, or maybe they are trained but don't show communication skills, don't have real education sector. That means our higher education sector should be expanded according to the need of the economy. That is, in which dimensions our economy is going to transform, And in that requirement, our higher education should be designed to provide their graduates in the economy. But maybe our higher education expanded only to provide our primary and secondary graduates into the tertiary level. That's why maybe our graduates are not working in their pertinent field. And maybe we don't have the real banking sector. So is our banking sector really grown with the need of our economy? Whatever the size of our economy, is it required? There are 60 banks operating in our country. So is it required, or only for doing business, or the Americanization, to follow the Americanizations, they are expanding the banking sector? So these are all questions. Now, what should we do? Should we not then produce more graduates, or should we produce graduate with right skills, or should we expand industry? So there are a lot of questions now we have to answer. Dear audience, I hope I will get all the research, all the answers after completing my research. So what I have developed, the research problem, that is, there is no alignment between higher education and labor market in Bangladesh. And this is clearly seen in these presentations that our graduates are not working in their relevant or pertinent field. So what is, if the field of study mismatch, that is called the horizontal mismatch. And there is a huge impact of this mismatch of labor market, between labor market and education sector. If this greater horizontal mismatch indicates that education system is dysfunctional, as it fails to develop the wide range of specialized skills. That means whatever a graduate is spent in their graduation level, time and money, that is totally wasted. And in that case, we see that it leads to frustration and lower wages, and it hampers the economic productivity. And if we consider the particular banking sector, then if they don't find the pertinent graduate, that sector loses their innovations, productivity, and they lose their money also. Dear audience, thank you for your patience hearing.